In a landmark decision, the FreeBSD project has officially declared its intention to discontinue support for 32-bit platforms in upcoming major releases. This monumental shift entails the exclusion of ARM v6 i386 and PowerPC platforms in FreeBSD 15.0, while ARM v7 will be phased out in FreeBSD 16.0. Despite these changes, a crucial lifeline remains. Support for executing 32-bit binaries on 64-bit kernels will persist throughout the stable 16 branch. Let's delve deeper into the background and rationale driving this strategic maneuver. Since its inception, FreeBSD has stood as a beacon of stability and high performance, meticulously tailored for modern architectures. Initially focusing on the i386 architecture, FreeBSD has dynamically adapted its support for various architectures in response to evolving market dynamics and developer capacities. Market trends and developer resources are pivotal factors shaping FreeBSD's architectural support landscape. The market trajectory signals a diminishing prominence of general-purpose 32-bit platforms, each fitting at varying paces into obsolescence. In acknowledging the finite nature of their resources, the FreeBSD team underscores the imperative of channeling efforts towards platforms with robust support. What implications does this epical shift hold for FreeBSD users and future trajectories? For users reliant on FreeBSD for 32-bit platforms, this announcement serves as a clarion call to strategize and embark on a seamless transition to 64-bit systems. By focusing its energies on 64-bit systems, FreeBSD aims to unlock unparalleled performance, fortified security, and heightened compatibility with the latest hardware and software innovations. For a comprehensive exploration of this transformative journey, delve into the release notes available on the official FreeBSD website.